Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom business card with Canva. So the first thing you want to do on the Canva app or the website version is to scroll and choose the more option here, or you can just search for the business card option here. But I can just click on the more option here, and I would like to view all the popular templates and the packages. So you can just look for office and business. It should be here. Desktop wallpaper. You're looking for business card. Okay, good. Business card is the last, so you can just click on it. Once you click on it, it should bring you to a page where you can design a free, not free, a new card from scratch, or you can choose from a template and modify it. Okay, so once there are various samples of business cards here, so let's say I work in construction, I can go ahead and choose a business card that conveniently conveys that message. Okay, but these are very basic. Okay, this is okay. Good. So I can go ahead and edit the details of the page to fit my own. So I can choose, okay, make it Victor. Know that there are premium samples or templates, so I would advise you get the template, the premium versions, for you to enjoy the best templates possible. But the free version also offers a great deal, so depends on you. So once you are done customizing, you can download it and print it if need be. So that is how to create a business card on Canva. Please consider leaving a comment below if this video has helped you.